Okay.
She wanted to take them in the dryer.
Yeah, well, we got to take them out of the washing machine. I'll hand them to you, and you can put them in the dryer, okay?
I want to be hot.
Well, there you go.
See what it was.
Hey, this one's big.
This one's big. This one's big in there. This is a one blanket.
That's a big sheet.
That was
That's your bathing suit.
bathing suit goes in there. The towel goes in there. The towel was in there. Towel was in there. It was in there. That was in. It's in there. The towel was washing.
Put that one in too.
Towel was in wash. That was a blanket. This one is a.
That's pillowcases.
That's a one blanket.
Put that in too. I'll close the door. Okay, so here. We'll get this for you. Watch your feet. Oh, good.
I will.
See this? Turn that. Turn it. All right. Good job. Good job.
They are washing.
Now they're drying. Now they're drying. You did a good job. High five.
This one is
Try that again. Try that again. High five.
This one is
That's a sink stopper. We don't need that.
That's
how
for
you
the
dry
clothes. For the clothes to wash this.
That's right. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.